Imagine a world so close to the sun that its surface is scorched by temperatures hot enough to melt lead, yet so mysterious that it holds secrets buried beneath its barren, cratered exterior. This is Mercury, the smallest and least explored planet in our solar system. But what if I told you that there's more to this enigmatic world than meets the eye? What if the truths hidden on Mercury's surface could rewrite everything we thought we knew about our cosmic neighborhood? Today we're diving deep into the shadows of Mercury's secrets, secrets that NASA might not want you to know. For decades, Mercury has been overshadowed by its more glamorous planetary siblings. Mars has captured our imagination with its potential for life, Jupiter with its swirling storms, and Saturn with its dazzling rings. But Mercury? It's often dismissed as a lifeless, desolate rock, too close to the sun to hold any real intrigue. Yet beneath this unassuming facade lies a treasure trove of mysteries that could shake the very foundations of our understanding of the universe. Let's start with the surface itself. Mercury's landscape is a hauntingly beautiful mosaic of craters, cliffs, and plains. But these features aren't just random scars from cosmic collisions. They tell a story of a planet that has endured unimaginable violence and transformation. The Caloris Basin, one of the largest impact craters in the solar system, stretches over 900 miles across Mercury's surface. This colossal scar is a testament to the cataclysmic forces that shaped the planet billions of years ago. But what if this crater isn't just a relic of the past? What if it holds clues to something far more profound? Scientists have long speculated about the possibility of water ice on Mercury. Yes, you heard that right. Water ice on a planet where daytime temperatures can soar to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. How is this possible? The answer lies in the planet's polar regions, where deep craters are perpetually shrouded in shadow. These dark, frigid pockets could harbor frozen water, a discovery that would challenge our assumptions about where life-sustaining resources can exist. But here's the kicker. If there's water on Mercury, could there have been life? Could this tiny, scorched planet have once been a cradle of life in the early solar system? The implications are staggering. But the secrets of Mercury's surface go even deeper. Recent observations have revealed strange, hollow-like depressions scattered across the planet. These formations, known as hollows, are unlike anything seen on other planetary bodies. They appear to be fresh, geologically speaking, suggesting that Mercury's surface is still evolving. But what's causing these hollows? Some scientists believe they could be the result of volatile materials sublimating, essentially turning from solid to gas beneath the surface. If true, this would mean that Mercury is far more dynamic than we ever imagined. But what if these hollows are evidence of something else entirely? What if they're the remnants of ancient volcanic activity, or even signs of subsurface processes we don't yet understand? And then there's the magnetic field. Mercury is the only rocky planet in the inner solar system, aside from Earth, to have a global magnetic field. This magnetic field is weak compared to Earth's, but its mere existence is a puzzle. How does a planet as small and seemingly inactive as Mercury generate a magnetic field? On Earth, our magnetic field is powered by the churning of molten iron in the core. But Mercury's core was thought to have cooled and solidified billions of years ago, so what's keeping its magnetic field alive? Could there be a hidden source of energy deep within the planet? Or is Mercury's core still partially molten, defying our expectations? The answers to these questions could revolutionize our understanding of planetary formation and evolution, but perhaps the most tantalizing secret of all lies in Mercury's composition. The planet's surface is rich in elements like sulfur and potassium, which are typically found in much lower concentrations on other terrestrial planets. This unusual chemistry has led some scientists to speculate that Mercury's formation was anything but ordinary. One theory suggests that Mercury may have once been a much larger planet, only to have its outer layers stripped away by a massive collision. This would explain its high density and unique composition. But what if there's more to the story? What if Mercury's surface holds clues to the early solar system's most violent and chaotic moments? Could studying Mercury help us unlock the secrets of how planets are born and destroyed? Now let's address the elephant in the room. Why hasn't NASA shared more about these discoveries? Why does Mercury remain one of the least explored planets in our solar system? Some might argue that it's simply a matter of priorities. With limited resources and so many celestial bodies to study, Mercury has often been overlooked, but others believe there's more to it. Could it be that the secrets of Mercury's surface are so profound, so potentially disruptive, that they're being kept under wraps? Are we being shielded from truths that could challenge our understanding of the universe and our place within it? Consider this. Every time we've ventured into the unknown, we've been forced to confront the limits of our knowledge. The discovery of water on Mars, the revelation of exoplanets in distant star systems, the detection of gravitational waves, each of these breakthroughs has reshaped our understanding of the cosmos. But what if Mercury holds the key to an even greater revelation? What if its surface harbors evidence of ancient civilizations, extraterrestrial life, or even phenomena that defy the laws of physics as we know them? The truth is, we may never know unless we look closer. And that's where you come in. The more we demand answers, the more likely it is that we'll uncover the secrets hidden on Mercury's surface. This isn't just about satisfying our curiosity. It's about expanding the boundaries of human knowledge. It's about daring to ask the questions that others are too afraid to ask. It's about peeling back the layers of mystery to reveal the truth, no matter how unsettling it may be. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, take a moment to think about Mercury. Think about the secrets it holds, the stories it has yet to tell. Think about the possibility that somewhere on its scorched, cratered surface lies the key to unlocking the greatest mysteries of the universe. And ask yourself, are we ready to face the truth? Are we ready to confront the secrets that NASA, and perhaps the universe itself, doesn't want us to know? The journey to uncover these secrets won't be easy. It will require courage, curiosity, and an unshakable belief in the power of discovery. But if history has taught us anything, it's that the pursuit of knowledge is always worth it. So let's embark on this journey together. Let's shine a light on the shadows of Mercury's surface and reveal the truths that have been hidden for far too long. The secrets are out there, waiting to be discovered. All we have to do is look. But before we go any further, let's take a moment to truly appreciate the sheer audacity of Mercury's existence. This is a planet that defies logic at every turn. It's a world that shouldn't exist, yet it does. It's a planet that's so close to the Sun that it completes an orbit in just 88 Earth days, yet its rotation is so slow that a single day on Mercury lasts 59 Earth days. Imagine that. A year on Mercury is shorter than 2 of its days. This bizarre dance between its orbit and rotation creates extreme temperature swings, from blistering heat to freezing cold, all within the same small world. How does a planet like this even survive? What forces are at play here that we're only beginning to understand? And let's not forget the Messenger mission, NASA's first spacecraft to orbit Mercury. Launched in 2004, Messenger spent years studying the planet up close, sending back data that has both answered questions and raised new ones. But here's the thing. Even with all the information Messenger provided, there are still gaps. Gaps that leave room for speculation, for mystery, for the possibility that we're only scratching the surface of what Mercury has to reveal. Why, for example, did Messenger detect higher than expected levels of radiation on Mercury's surface? What could be causing this? Is it a natural phenomenon? Or could it be evidence of something more extraordinary? And then there's the question of Mercury's color. Unlike the rusty red of Mars or the swirling blues and whites of Earth, Mercury's surface is a muted gray, pockmarked with craters and scars. But look closer, and you'll notice subtle variations in color, patches of darker and lighter material that hint at a complex geological history. What are these materials? Could they be evidence of ancient volcanic activity, or perhaps even remnants of a long-lost atmosphere? Some scientists believe that Mercury may have once had a thick atmosphere, only to have it stripped away by the sun's relentless solar winds. If true, this would mean that Mercury was once a very different world, a world that could have supported liquid water and maybe even life. But let's go even deeper. What if Mercury's surface isn't just a record of its own history, but a window into the early solar system? Mercury is thought to be one of the oldest planets, formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Its surface, therefore, could be a time capsule, preserving clues about the conditions that existed when the solar system was young. What if the craters and basins on Mercury's surface hold evidence of the primordial chaos that gave birth to the planets? What if studying Mercury could help us understand how Earth itself came to be? And here's where things get really intriguing. What if Mercury's surface isn't just a passive record of the past, but an active participant in the present? What if there are processes happening on Mercury right now that we don't fully understand? Take, for example, the planet's magnetic field. As we mentioned earlier, Mercury's magnetic field is a mystery. But what if it's not just a relic of the past? What if it's being generated by some unknown mechanism, something that challenges our current understanding of planetary physics? Could Mercury's magnetic field be evidence of a hidden dynamo deep within the planet, or even the result of interactions with the sun's magnetic field? The possibilities are endless, and each one raises more questions than answers. And then there's the question of Mercury's relationship with the sun. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and as such, it's subjected to the full force of the sun's radiation, solar winds, and magnetic fields. But what if this relationship is more than just one-sided? What if Mercury is influencing the sun in ways we don't yet understand? Some scientists have speculated that Mercury's orbit could be affecting the sun's magnetic activity, or even contributing to the formation of sunspots. If true, this would mean that Mercury, despite its small size, plays a significant role in the dynamics of our solar system. But how and why? These are questions that demand answers. But perhaps the most compelling question of all is this: what if Mercury's surface holds the key to understanding not just our solar system, but the universe itself? What if the secrets buried beneath its craters and cliffs could help us unlock the mysteries of dark matter, dark energy, or even the nature of time and space. It may sound like science fiction, but consider this. Every time we've explored a new frontier, we've discovered phenomena that we never could have imagined. From the bizarre behavior of quantum particles to the mind-bending properties of black holes, the universe is full of surprises. So why should Mercury be any different? And yet, despite all these tantalizing possibilities, Mercury remains one of the least explored planets in our solar system. Why is that? Is it because of the technical challenges involved in studying a planet so close to the Sun? Or is there something more? Could it be that the secrets of Mercury's surface are so profound, so potentially disruptive, that they're being kept hidden from the public? It's a provocative thought, but one that's worth considering. After all, history is full of examples of information being withheld for fear of the consequences. What if the same is true for Mercury? But here's the thing. The truth has a way of coming out, no matter how hard it's suppressed. And when it comes to Mercury, the truth could be more extraordinary than we ever imagined. So let's keep asking questions. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. Let's keep demanding answers, no matter how uncomfortable they may be. Because the secrets of Mercury's surface aren't just about one small planet. They're about the nature of the universe itself. So what do you think? Are we on the brink of a major discovery, one that could change everything we thought we knew about Mercury, the solar system, and even ourselves? Or are we just scratching the surface with the real secrets still buried deep beneath Mercury's barren exterior? Whatever the case, one thing is certain. The journey to uncover the truth is far from over, and as we continue to explore, to question, to wonder, we may just find that the secrets of Mercury's surface are the keys to unlocking the greatest mysteries of all. The universe is vast, and its secrets are many. But with every discovery, with every question answered, we come one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. So let's keep looking, keep exploring, and keep seeking the truth. Because the secrets of Mercury's surface are out there, waiting to be discovered. And who knows, the next great revelation could be just around the corner. All we have to do is reach out and grab it. Now let's take a moment to imagine what it would be like to stand on Mercury's surface. Picture yourself surrounded by a desolate, otherworldly landscape, where the sun looms 3 times larger in the sky than it does on Earth, casting an eerie, intense light over the barren terrain. The ground beneath your feet is a patchwork of ancient lava plains and jagged cliffs, some towering miles high, carved by eons of geological upheaval. The silence is absolute, broken only by the faint hum of solar winds whipping across the planet's thin exosphere. But as you look closer, you notice something strange, a glimmer in the shadows of a deep crater, a faint reflection that shouldn't be there. Could it be ice, hidden in the eternal darkness? Or something else entirely, something that defies explanation? This is the kind of mystery that Mercury holds, a world where every step could lead to a discovery that changes everything. What if Mercury's surface is more than just a relic of the past? What if it's a living, breathing testament to the dynamic forces that shape our solar system? Recent studies suggest that Mercury's surface may still be geologically active, with tectonic forces slowly reshaping its crust. This would mean that Mercury isn't the dead, static world we once thought it was, but a planet with a hidden heartbeat, pulsing beneath its scarred exterior. Imagine the implications. a planet so close to the Sun, subjected to unimaginable heat and radiation, yet still capable of change, still capable of surprising us. What if Mercury's surface is a canvas, constantly being painted by the forces of the universe, revealing new secrets with every passing moment? And then there's the possibility of extraterrestrial artifacts. Before you dismiss this as science fiction, consider this. Mercury's surface is one of the most untouched environments in the solar system. Unlike Mars or the Moon, which have been bombarded by probes and rovers, Mercury remains largely unexplored. What if, hidden among its craters and cliffs, there are remnants of an ancient civilization, not from Mercury, but from somewhere else in the universe? What if Mercury, with its unique position and composition, was once a waypoint for beings far more advanced than us? The idea may seem far-fetched, but isn't that what makes it so compelling? The universe is vast, and the possibilities are endless. Who's to say that Mercury's surface doesn't hold the key to unlocking the greatest mystery of all? Are we alone? But let's not forget the emotional weight of this exploration. Mercury isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a symbol of humanity's unquenchable thirst for knowledge. It represents our desire to push beyond the limits of what we know, to venture into the unknown and uncover the truths that lie hidden in the shadows. Every crater, every cliff, every glimmer of light on Mercury's surface is a reminder of how much we still have to learn, not just about the universe, but about ourselves. What drives us to explore? What compels us to seek out the secrets of worlds so far beyond our reach? The answers to these questions are as profound as the mysteries of Mercury itself. So as we stand on the precipice of a new era of exploration, let's not shy away from the questions that scare us. Let's embrace the unknown, the unexplained, the seemingly impossible, because the secrets of Mercury's surface aren't just about one small planet. They're about the boundless potential of human curiosity. They're about our ability to dream, to wonder, and to discover. And who knows? The next great revelation could be waiting for us just beneath the surface of Mercury, ready to change the way we see the universe and ourselves forever. The journey is far from over, and the best is yet to come.